the fallout of the three rebellions, the three falls, if you will. The first one, what that incurs to humanity is estrangement from God and death. Romans 5:12, wherefore so by one man sin entered the world and death by sin, so that death passed upon all men. By the way, it doesn't say guilt, it says death. Death passed upon all men. So we have an estrangement from God and we have a death problem. The second one is viewed again by Second Temple period Jews as a root cause of the proliferation of depravity. It's not that humans aren't depraved because they fell. In Genesis 3, these were willful acts of rebellion. And you have plenty of other willful acts of sin that ensue from it. But Genesis 6 was thought to be about the proliferation, the acceleration of depravity among human beings. And in the Old Testament period, it was a lethal threat that arose from this event to the people of God as the people of God were known then, the Israelites. And the third one is really about abandonment and fragmentation of God, and not only God to the rest of humanity besides Israel, but really all of the nations from each other, and especially to God. Now, if you were a Second Temple period Jew, and your answer to why the world is the mess that it is, were these three things, you expect the Messiah to cure all three problems, not just one. You expect the Messiah to not just fix Genesis 3, but to fix the others. And that is actually what you get in the New Testament. It's just that we're sort of blind to the other two.